Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailchimp automations for email onboarding sequences, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Mailchimp account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create button to start a new automation. Select the email option from the drop-down menu. Click on Begin to proceed with the selection. Next, name your automation sequence in the pop-up window. Select the audience you want to target for this onboarding sequence. Customize the trigger for your first email by setting it to List Join. Choose the specific list that will initiate this automation. Scroll down to set the time delay for sending the email after the trigger. For onboarding, consider sending the first email immediately or within a day. Click Define Email Settings to configure the details of your first email. Give your email a clear and engaging subject line. Design your email content to introduce your brand and set expectations. You can use the email designer to add images, links, and other elements. Once you're satisfied with the email design, click Save and Continue. Repeat the process to add additional emails to your onboarding sequence. Customize each email's content to provide valuable information and encourage interaction. Review your entire sequence to ensure everything flows logically. Once ready, enable the automation by toggling the switch to on. Finally, click the Start Sending button to activate your onboarding sequence. Monitor your automation's performance through the analytics in Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.